In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at how to install WordPress Jetpack, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, select Add New from Plugins and here search for Jetpack in the search bar. The first one is our result and click on Install Now button to install it. Once done, click on Activate button to activate it. So here it says Activate Essential WordPress Security and Performance Tools by setting up Jetpack. Now click on this Set up Jetpack button. So we will wait while it loads. Then you can create an account on Jetpack or continue without signing in. We also have See All Jetpack Features link here. You can connect without an account. Jump in to enjoy Jetpack right away. Some features will not be immediately available, but you will be able to connect your account later to unlock them. So click on this button to continue. Or you can choose from your WordPress or Google account. Let's click on Continue without signing in. Here you can see its most popular plans, then More plans. And after that we have Start for Free button, click on it. Then on this page, fill up your information, like what type of site is demo, which is our website. Let's select Personal and continue. Then next is Would you like to enable related posts? Select Not Now and then Would you like to turn site visitors into subscribers? Again select Not Now, and again select it for Site Accelerator. So now your Jetpack installation is complete. Thank you for watching.